Here we are at 1374 Midway in Idaho Falls, Idaho. I'm going to show you Unit 3, which is upstairs. This is a fourplex. It does come with a one-car garage. There's a landing strip just as you step inside that gives you a place to take your shoes off. Here's a view of the living room. Big open room here. To our left is a coat closet. Some built-in shelving there. This window faces the front yard and lets in a lot of outside light. This is the kitchen here. Transitions to linoleum. And just off of the kitchen is the washer and dryer hookups. Plenty of cabinet space and countertop space. It does have a dishwasher. As we continue in, on the right side is the bathroom. There's some built-in shelving here. Tub and surround here. At the end of the hall is two bedrooms. This is a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom unit. Closet there with some built-in shelving. This bedroom is larger. There's a closet there. That concludes our tour. Thank you for watching. This is Home River Group. If you have any questions or would like to see the unit, give us a call or visit our website at homeriveridaho falls.com. Thanks.